A song in which he asks the wind, Tamatani Nui, and the ocean, Panaloa, to carry his love gently upon her journey. And so today we ask Panaloa to carry our dear friends and Ohana safely on their journey.
May 17, 2014 marked the beginning of a new chapter for history here in Hawaii. Hundreds gathered at the dock of the Marine Education Training Center, from which Hōkūleʻa, Hikianalia, and their crew would bid farewell to Oʻahu for the last time as they embark on their long-awaited worldwide voyage.
Hōkūleʻa will travel with the intrinsic knowledge of our kupuna that have sailed before, combined with the innovation and the ingenuity of the voyagers that will be on Hōkūleʻa and Hikianalia. We anxiously await the new course that you will chart for the future of all of us.
The voyage is not about just moving a canoe across the planet, but it's moving humanity to a larger culture that comes together, that's defined by values of kindness, of care, of compassion, commitment to responsibility for children. And that's the voyage that we had to build.
One thing I wanted to do was to come down and watch the launch of these two waka, because it's such an important part of Polynesian culture, not just Hawaiian culture or Tahitian culture, but also Māori culture. So seeing these traditional ocean-going waka being launched today was really important for me to come along, and I'm looking forward to being part of the rest of our people that will turn out in force to welcome our Polynesian brothers and sisters when they arrive in Aotearoa.
He wā kui ka wā I ono ke ia. Ua mamake noho I au e hele mai no ka himeni ana. No ko'u ho'omaikai ana I ke ia wa'a o Hōkūleʻa me Hikianalia me ka poʻe a pau I pa'u ma luna o ka hana I me holo ai. Ua ike ia nā kai o Hawaii. Nā kai ma waho a ka o ke ia ka wā e holo ai a puni ka honua. O mahalo I nā kupuna o kākou no lākou ka ike. Peia puna ho'i me Papa Mau, Piailu. Me ka po'e o ka Polynesian Voyaging Society. Me nā ohana, e noho nei ma ka aina I ka wā e ha'alele ai nā pua o ka lāhui.
You know, this day was a long time coming. And so many of the communities that we had touched in the last 2 years, and the schools, and I just want to thank everybody for, you know, their prayers, their aloha, and their well wishes, and just for coming down.
I've seen people from gardeners to governors come down here that have love for the canoes and feel that they're on with us.
I wanted to be here to represent our island as mayor, to share with the crew how proud and special this moment is, and more so for our keiki. So on behalf of Kauai Nihau and the whole state of Hawaii, mahalo for being here, but this is a wonderful event. It's going to share Hawaii with the world. Aloha.
We have the youngest canoe of the family here, Hikianalia, about to follow the tutu of it all, you know, with Hōkūleʻa, and everyone in between that's a love of voyaging or love of the ocean or just loves Hawaii is down here to see this family keep growing and the story continue. So it's just exciting to be a part of it. It looks to me as if I imagine the first time they reached Tahiti. So to bring that back to Hawaii and this many generations later for Hōkūleʻa to still mean this much, it's really special. One of the big questions they always ask us for the younger generation, that's the goal to turn over, is can you guys keep the canoe sailing? And I look around, there's not really a question, you know. It's going to be sailing because Hawaii will keep them sailing.